These matte transitions will work with almost every version of Premiere Pro. Let me show you how to use these transitions. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken a full HD sequence. Let's import transitions. Now I'm going to import images or video clips. Place images or video clips on the timeline. Now place transition clip on the timeline. Place it like that. Place second clip like that. Take razor tool and cut second clip where transition ends. Now go to Effects panel and search for Track Matte key. Apply Track Matte key to Video 2 clip. Now go to Effects Control panel. In Track Matte key effect, set Composite using to Matte Alpha. Set Matte to Video 3, which is transition layer. That's it. Thanks for watching.